So right here in front of me is the Samsung Z Fold 3. Here is the box. It comes in contrasting colors of black and grey with Z written boldly on top. So let's unbox it. This looks like a tablet more than a mobile phone. We'll keep the box aside. This is the handset with us. Let's remove the plastic cover. Now as you can see, the plastic cover has this again black paper on it. Let's switch it on and see, you have the Samsung branding on top on the cover display as well. Now talking about the display, it has got a 7.6-inch Full HD AMOLED display. Keeping it aside, talking about other box contents, you get some paperwork, SIM ejector pin, and inside this box there is this charging cable as well, a USB charging cable. The length looks pretty good enough. Keeping the box contents aside, let's talk about the smartphone now. Now the cover display is of 6.2 inch. Again, it's an AMOLED display. This is how the phone gets folded. Once you open it up or you unfold it, it looks more like a tablet. The phone weighs 271 grams and packs Snapdragon 888 SoC. It is coupled with 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM. Talking about the touch is pretty smooth here. It is rated as IPX8 for water resistance. When you unfold it, there is the front camera here. Now the front camera is a 4 megapixel on the cover, while on the main screen it is of 10 megapixel, which is undercover. It runs on Android 11. The battery, it is supported by 4000 mAh battery and gets 15 watt USB charging support. So let's check the Android performance. Talking about the rear camera, it houses a triple rear camera setup with a 12 megapixel telephoto camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and 12 megapixel wide angle camera. So this is basically a tablet here, a compatible one or a foldable one. You can carry it anywhere, and when you fold it, it kind of becomes a compact structure. On the side, it looks more like a book with Samsung's logo imprinted. Now when you click the pictures, one side of the phone displays the recent clicked pictures, while the front side acts as a display panel. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching it.
This journey is very close to my heart, and it all started with my foldable. I discovered something on my phone. You see, Samsung has this app called Samsung Global Goals, which makes it so easy for anyone to contribute to causes that matter most to them. Listen, I need to do something, but only you can help me. So, I want to raise awareness for a sustainable world by creating something meaningful with you. Okay. And what we're going to create is a dress. So guys, to make this dress, we're not going to be taking any more resources. We're going to use what we already have, like recycling. Upcycling? Correct. And for that, I'm going to use all my clothes. Waiting for something to find me. Then she sent me this. So it was all done basically, but I don't know, man. Something's missing. Sometimes you've got to remember why you got started with something in the first place, and that's where the best inspiration comes from.
Hey Alia, are you going to flip or are you going to fold?
So guys, it's not over yet. Visit the Samsung Global Goals app and share this video tagging Samsung India with #UnfoldYourWorld. One lucky winner will stand a chance to win this sustainable dress designed by me.
Two smartphones in the Samsung Galaxy Z series offer contrasting experiences. While the Flip 3 is all about compact design, the Fold 3 is unraveling. For now, let's talk about the latter. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, as the name suggests, folds and unfolds, giving users maximum screen space. It is available in 3 bold color variants: Phantom Black, Phantom Green and Phantom Silver. While folded, it gives the premium smartphone feeling with its 6.2-inch size, which unfolds into a symmetric, balanced and expansive view. This larger screen opens doors to never-seen-before gaming and viewing experience. So nothing really interrupts your view, not even the front camera. How? That's because the phone comes with unique under-display camera that offers you an immersive experience of work and play. Though foldable and flexible, the Fold 3 doesn't compromise on safety and comes with the toughest Corning Gorilla Glass of Z series. It is covered with a lightweight armor aluminum frame that makes the smartphone more durable. The Fold 3 is also claimed to be water resistant with IPX8 rated protection, just like the Flip 3. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 shares a very similar configuration system like its sibling Flip 3. It runs on Qualcomm octa-core processor with Android 11.0 OS. The enhanced One UI version offers PC-style interaction with the extra space, and your apps are optimized to provide a better and clean view. The phone has massive RAM of 12GB and comes in 2 internal storage variants of 256GB and 512GB. Along with the 5G technology, the smartphone also supports eSIM. Coming to its battery life, it comes with a 4400 mAh battery designed to last throughout the day and also adjusting according to your use. Also, you can charge it rapidly with 25-watt fast charging option along with wireless charging option. The Fold 3, being an expansive smartphone, offers vivid features in camera. It has a triple rear camera comprising 3 12-megapixel cameras that provide different effects. The first of these is a telephoto camera that offers quality zoom. The second is a wide-angle camera to capture shots that cover the whole view, and the third is an ultra-wide camera that brings in wider area without any distortion. Like I mentioned before, this one also comes with a unique 4-megapixel under-display camera which allows you to click and review in one frame. The model has another camera which is a 10-megapixel cover camera that is operational when you are using the phone in its flex or fold mode. Talking about the Galaxy Z model's special features, the phone is well equipped and powered to handle all the multitasking for you, as it allows the screen to split into 3 apps and even open 5 or more apps in a pop-up view. In addition, unlike the Flip 3, the Fold 3 is compatible with the S Pen and helps to create and edit with ease. So it is for you to see. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 has so much to offer. So if you're into smartphones that offer so much and more, the Fold 3 version is not going to disappoint you.